Ciao, dear Sicily lovers!
Hello, everyone!
We have great news for you!
Yes, finally we did it.
What? Guess what we did. Guess.
So, as you know, our tours are sold out. And we are not talking about the 2023, we are talking about 2024. We are already sold out, so we decided to add a fourth edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour.
Yay! Give up for us!
By popular demand, we did it. So it's crazy because Sicily is very popular, and we used to work with the most beautiful and ideally located hotels. They are not big hotels with 100 rooms, so they are boutique hotels. So it was not easy.
Not easy.
But we succeeded in finding the room. We fought against the hotel managers. Please give us the rooms because we have to make a tour.
Yes, because our Sicily lovers deserve to enjoy Sicily to the fullest. They are sending us so many inquiries. We have a waiting list for people that want to join our Sicily Lovers Tour next year. So please. And as you know, Sicilian ladies are dangerous. No?
They are stronger than stones.
And now we are ready to release the fourth edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour that will be in June 2024, from 16 to 28.
You're right.
Save the date and visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com to reserve your spot, because don't forget the Sicily Lovers Tour is a small group tour, so it's reserved for just 20 lucky Sicily lovers.
Say what they have to do to find the tour schedule.
So, again, bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Then in the navigator bar you can search for Sicily vacation packages, and you will land in the page dedicated to the Sicily Lovers Tour. You can read and download the PDF with all the information, the details, and it's a long... Gianca is the guilty one.
You have all the time of the world to study the schedule. It's a 40 schedule, so 40 pages schedule. And
just a brief...
don't spoil.
No.
Don't spoil.
Do you think they have to join our Sicily Lovers Tour? If they want to enjoy great food.
They are confident, they trust us. They already know what they're expecting.
Mangia. This is the most important thing of the tour.
I used to say, no matter where you are in Sicily, in Palermo or in Cefalù or in Taormina or in Erice or in Agrigento, Mount Etna, wherever you are, we used to combine a special, wonderful location with one of the funnest experiences ever with local. So this is our philosophy. Great combination between special location and special activities with locals. Most of them are based on food, of course. So you will be invited by a couple of chefs, their houses. You will have chocolate making, ricotta cheese making. You will enjoy the cannoli, the best, most beautiful church in Palermo. So you heard well. It's not a pastry shop. It's a church. So they still respect the cloister nuns recipe. And I stopped talking because I don't want to spoil the surprise. Please.
And another important thing.
Yes.
As always, we have reserved for you the early booking discount.
You're right.
So visit right now and secure your spot right now. Because Sicily is waiting for you.
Yes.
And if you want to enjoy the island, our beloved island, in the most relaxing way, you can wait to join us.
And let me add something special that it's really important. Don't forget that the Sicily Lovers Tour is a promotional tour, so it offers the best of Sicily with the best value for your money. If you are not able to join the Sicily Lovers Tour in June, we can offer you a private tour of Sicily, a custom private tour of Sicily all year round. That's really important. You can visit bestthingsToDoInSicily.com and visit the page named Sicily Private Tours.
Yeah, we are still available for private tours.
Yes, of course,
Yeah.
of course. It's not in 2023.
No,
2023 is sold out.
Forget it.
Also for private tours, because it's impossible to find the best hotels, the best local guides. Maybe I can only provide you some transportation services, but forget 2023. Let's vision 2024.
and what else? We wait for you. Visit our website, bestthingsToDoInSicily.com. Share this video with your friends. Put your thumb up if you like. And love
Hugs
and kisses
from Sicily.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. We love you. And thank you again for your love. Ciao.
Ciao.